Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who was appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in October 2025? Surya Kant. CBSE board exams for 2026 will begin from which date? February 17th. India and Nepal signed agreements to boost transmission of what? Electricity. Which coin and stamp were launched by PM Modi to honor Sardar Patel's legacy? ₹150. India's heaviest ever communication satellite CMS-03 will launch on which date? November 2nd. Mumbai's Dharavi hostage crisis involved how many children? (17) Delhi's proposed cloud seeding project is being reconsidered due to what issue? High cost. Who starred in the Assamese record-breaking film, Roi Roi Binale? Zubeen Garg. Bihar voter roll revision may influence the result of how many seats? (100) Pushkar Fair in Rajasthan saw record sales of which animal? Buffaloes. Education Ministry announced curriculum upgrade in schools including which subject from class 3? Artificial Intelligence. Delhi will admit only children of what minimum age to class 1 from next year? (6 years). Who launched the 1 lakh rupees crore Anusandhan Fund for Science Innovation? Piyush Goyal. NTPC Green Energy Limited was upgraded to what CPSE category? Schedule A. World Savings Day is celebrated on which date? October 31st. Which state got a new district named after Kalyan Singh? UP. South Korea conferred Grand Order of Mugungawa on which foreign leader? Donald Trump. Russia tested which nuclear-powered underwater drone? Poseidon. Cameroon's President Paul Biya set world record as oldest president at what age? '92. ISRO's CMA-03 will be launched using which rocket? LVM-3M5. Justice Surya Kant will succeed which outgoing CJI? B.R. Gavai. India began which joint tri-services exercise in October 2025? Trishul. How much loan did ADB approve for agricultural solarization in Maharashtra? $460 million. BPCL and all signed MoU to build a greenfield refinery in which state? Andhra Pradesh. NTPC Green Energy Limited's new status helps in promoting what? Green energy. Mumbai's fake scientist case involved suspected access to what government info? Nuclear data. Which country along with Singapore accounted for one-third of FDI to India in FY25? USA. Who opposed bail in Delhi, writes conspiracy case citing plot to change regime? Police. CBSE introduced which comic series to promote income tax awareness among students? Motu Patlu. India confirmed 6-month exemption from US sanctions at which Iranian port? Chabhar. Which group surrendered with weapons in Chhattisgarh to police? Maoists. Adani Power's Q2 revenue rose to what amount? ₹13,106 crore. Which actor's wedding news made headlines in women's cricket and music? Smriti Mandhana. Which class registration number is now mandatory for G-Main applications? Class 11. India reaffirmed its commitment to sovereignty of which neighbor? Afghanistan. 250% tariff threat by Trump was directed at which two countries? India, Pakistan. Which sport did teen cricketer Ben Austin play before his tragic death? Cricket. Who made a 50 for India against Australia in Women's World Cup semi-final? Jemimah Rodrigues. Which players' team responded to rumours of joining Kolkata Knight Riders? Rohit Sharma. PM invited international investment in which sector? Maritime. Delhi High Court called for what approach in maintenance cases? Balanced, humane. Which port's exemption allows India to bypass some US sanctions? Chabhar. ATAC criticized rigidity in which commission's pay rules? Seventh CPC. Jaipur's Pushkar Fair saw top animal sales for which two animals? Buffaloes, horses. Delhi recorded season's worst air pollution, AQI above 400, after trial of what measure? Cloud seeding. Which school curriculum will be reformed to include AI from class 3? CBSE. Who became international chess master from Punjab in October 2025? Namitbir Singh Walia. What is India's cybersecurity industry size as per certain chief? $20 billion. IIT Kanpur clarified what issue regarding campus cloud storage? Cloud security. Women's World Cup. Why did players wear black armbands for India versus Australia semi-final? Coach tribute. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.